Hi, my name is Dan Carino, and I'm an Operations Program Manager here at Lockheed Martin, Liverpool, New York. As the lead sponsor of the 2021 Manufacturing Day and Manufacturing Month, Lockheed Martin welcomes you on behalf of the Greater Central New York manufacturing community. This program is intended to increase awareness of careers in manufacturing, and we hope that many of you will consider a career at Lockheed Martin or one of the other companies supporting this event. We hope you enjoy this video of another great manufacturing company in the Greater Central New York region. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the 12th Annual Manufacturing Careers Day being held virtually again today. I'm Dan Cummings from News Channel 9, and I am absolutely thrilled to be your MC again today for this exciting event. You know, the ability to develop, attract, and retain a job-ready workforce is the vision of this 12th Annual Manufacturing Careers Day, and I think it's safe to assume that all of you agree with that objective. Continued education and awareness within our school districts about manufacturing careers like P-TECH and other workforce development programs are absolutely critical components to maintaining Central New York's economic vitality and creating tomorrow's workforce today. So like you, I'm excited that we all share this collective vision and continue to work together as students, educators, and business leaders to create tomorrow's workforce. Well, as you are well aware, the world has been turned on its side with the pandemic. It's required that we rethink much of what we do in business and in education. So we'd like to recognize the companies who have stepped up their efforts to support an increase in the awareness of manufacturing careers. Today and throughout the month of October, you'll be hearing from some of these great manufacturing and technology companies who embrace the need to keep their companies open and their people safe while working over the last 18 months. And so welcome. Let's get started, shall we? To begin, I'd like to ask Dan Carino of Lockheed Martin, representing the lead sponsor, to offer his welcome on behalf of the manufacturing companies in our region and to tell us a little bit about Lockheed Martin in Liverpool. Dan is the operations manager.
Hi, my name is Dan Carino, and I'm an Operations Program Manager here at Lockheed Martin in Liverpool, New York. As the lead sponsor of the 2021 Manufacturing Day and Manufacturing Month, Lockheed Martin welcomes you on behalf of the Greater Central New York manufacturing community to our program, which is intended to increase awareness of careers in manufacturing. Over the years, Lockheed Martin has played a leading role in support of Manufacturing Day. We've actually hosted 2 on-site Manufacturing Career Day events in the last few years for over 300 students and teachers each time. During these events, they learned about the many products that are made by Lockheed Martin right here in Syracuse. For example, we build radars and sensors for the U.S. Army, the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Navy, and many other defense organizations. The Q-53 is now the Army's most modern radar and is becoming an even stronger asset in the field because of the extended range and digitized platform that we are building right here. The Army also recently accelerated the delivery of our Sentinel A4 missile defense radar, enabling soldiers to operate in a more secure warfighting environment, improving capabilities against multiple evolving threats. The TPY-4 radar, deemed the world's most capable and flexible ground-based, multi-function long-range radar, is also gaining significant traction with the Air Force, as well as several international allied countries. We are now also upgrading the BLQ-10 submarine electronic warfare system, a Syracuse program, providing real-time situational awareness, detecting hostile radar signals for the Navy. And our team just delivered the 100th Surface Electronic Warfare Improvement Program Block 2 system, as part of our full-rate production contract with the Naval Sea Systems Command. And these are just a few of our activities at Lockheed Martin in Syracuse. To be able to build these awesome products, we need awesome people, and Lockheed Martin is hiring. We're looking for program managers, for assemblers, material handlers, inventory analysts, and production controllers. We also have openings for systems engineers, software engineers, in hardware design, power engineering, RF design, mechanical engineering, and much more. We believe there are jobs for everyone because it takes a very diverse team of persons and skills to make it happen. We think you'll be interested in learning more about Lockheed Martin, not only the many jobs that we have available, but how much we support our country. In a few moments, you'll get a chance to watch one of our videos highlighting our radar systems and sensors business, which is based right here in Syracuse, New York. As for me, I have degrees in Industrial Engineering and Business Administration from the State University of New York, University at Buffalo. I came to Lockheed in 2004. And my job is to provide leadership to cross-functional teams that manage production programs. Manufacturing Day is important because it provides an opportunity for students to learn more about the great jobs and careers in manufacturing in our Central New York region. There are jobs for everyone, from administrative to communication to engineering, mechanical assembly, electronics, and much more.
Thank you, Dan. Lockheed Martin is surely a great company right here in Central New York. You know, now in its 29th year, Partners for Education and Business has led the effort to recognize and celebrate the school business partnerships and to recognize leaders from education and business who lead the way to try to be certain that programs are successful to prepare our youth for their success in their career journey. But mostly this event is about helping students themselves to open their eyes to the many great careers in manufacturing and technology. And that's what makes days like today and months like this so successful and rewarding. And with the tremendous need for technicians and engineers at so many companies around Central New York, this is really a prime example of the urgency that is needed right now to promote these careers in manufacturing, especially during these challenging times. Well, we want to share a video now from Lockheed Martin. Let's listen in to get a great story about a company that is a leader in our region and around the world. Well, that was certainly impressive. And you know what? During the month of October, there will be 4 sponsors, one for each week: United Radio, Huhtamaki, Novellus, and Marquardt. I'm looking forward to learning more about those companies during October as well. Well, let me now introduce you to MACNY's president, Randy Wolken, who will share some thoughts with you about Manufacturing Careers Day and Manufacturing Month. Randy?
Thanks for joining us for our 12th annual Manufacturing Day. Manufacturing Day helps show the reality of modern manufacturing careers by encouraging thousands of companies and educational institutions around the nation to open the doors to students, parents, teachers, and community leaders. As manufacturers seek to fill 4 million high-skill, high-tech, and high-paying jobs over the next decade, Manufacturing Day empowers manufacturers to come together to address their collective challenges so they can continue to grow their communities and future generations thrive. Manufacturing careers are very dynamic, ever-changing in the face of daily competition. These careers are not just about what degree or credential you have, although that's still important. Rather, it's more about what you can bring to the team in your company. There are so many different opportunities for a wide range of students and adults from all backgrounds. Jobs available now and in the near future. This year, Manufacturing Day includes a strong emphasis on engaging digital and virtual events, not only here in New York State, but throughout the country. With manufacturing careers at the heart of some of the most impactful work being done in response to the pandemic, we are excited to shine a spotlight on manufacturing careers both today and throughout the month of October. We want to especially thank Lockheed Martin for seeing the value of promoting Manufacturing Day as our lead sponsor, as well as United Radio, Huhtamaki, Novellus, and Marquardt, along with many other sponsors who help support awareness of careers in manufacturing.
Thank you, Randy. Well, that is the end of our program for today, and we sure want to thank Lockheed Martin, Huhtamaki, United Radio, Novellus, and Marquardt. and the rest of the sponsors for helping to get us started on a great Manufacturing Careers Day. Once again, thank you and have a great Manufacturing Careers Day and Manufacturing Month.
Thank you to PPC, a silver sponsor of Manufacturing Month. PPC is a global team of exceptional people committed to designing, delivering, and supporting best-in-class technology solutions in a fast-paced, results-oriented, and growing company. If you are creative, smart, analytical, and obsessed with working together to deliver high-quality solutions and services to customers across the globe, check out their job openings. Thank you to AT&T, a bronze sponsor of Manufacturing Month. AT&T continually sponsors PEB and MACNY programs and demonstrates their commitment to the local community. Thanks to bronze sponsor SRC. SRC Syracuse has openings for electrical engineers, co-ops, internships for spring and summer 2022, and entry-level computer engineer, software engineer interns, and integration and test engineers. Visit srcinc.com/careers and engineer new possibilities. Thanks to our third bronze sponsor, Syracuse Label and Surround Printing. They design, print, and manufacture and utilize cutting-edge print technology, have an in-house art department. Check out their job openings at www.syrlsp.com. A big thank you to AmeriQ, a program sponsor. AmeriQ is invested in education and offers 10 $1,000 scholarships annually to primary members who are high school or continuing college students. Visit ameriq.org/in-our-community/scholarships. Thank you to Bomer, a program sponsor. You can join their growing team in Auburn in custom thermoforming, rotational molding, plastic and metal fabrication, or in their sheet metal or value-add service departments. Cathedral Candle is a long-term PEB MACNY supporter. This local company has employed local people since 1897 and has career opportunities for machine operators, shipping and receiving personnel, warehouse and maintenance positions, and maintenance technicians. We thank them for their continuing sponsorship and commitment to the community.